Today, we're soaring into the world of aerial photography with our top 5 picks for the best drones on the market. From compact and portable models to high-performance aerial machines, we'll guide you through the cream of the crop in drone technology. Let's dive in and explore the top 5 best drones for capturing stunning footage from the sky. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Autel EVO Nano Plus. Introducing the Autel EVO Nano Plus, a compact yet powerful drone designed to redefine aerial photography. With its sleek design and advanced features, the EVO Nano Plus offers an unparalleled flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Equipped with a high-quality camera capable of capturing stunning 4K footage and 48-megapixel photos, the EVO Nano Plus delivers exceptional image quality from the sky. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth and steady footage, even in windy conditions. But the EVO Nano Plus isn't just about impressive imaging, it's also incredibly versatile. With intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Orbit mode, it's easy to capture dynamic shots with ease. Whether you're documenting your travels, capturing breathtaking landscapes, or simply exploring the world from above, the Autel EVO Nano Plus is your perfect companion for aerial adventures. Experience the thrill of flight and unleash your creativity with the Autel EVO Nano Plus. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. Introducing the DJI Mini 2, a compact yet powerful drone that brings the joy of aerial photography to everyone. With its lightweight design and impressive features, the Mini 2 is perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots and videos on the go. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second, the Mini 2 delivers impressive image quality and clarity. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in windy conditions. But the Mini 2 isn't just about impressive imaging, it's also incredibly easy to fly. With features like GPS positioning, automatic takeoff and landing, and intelligent flight modes, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Whether you're documenting your travels, capturing breathtaking landscapes, or simply exploring the world from a new perspective, the DJI Mini 2 is your perfect companion for aerial adventures. Experience the thrill of flight and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mini 2. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the latest evolution in compact drone technology. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Mini 3 Pro sets a new standard for aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a powerful camera capable of capturing stunning 4K footage and high-resolution photos, the Mini 3 Pro delivers exceptional image quality from the sky. Its 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in challenging conditions. But the Mini 3 Pro isn't just about impressive imaging, it's also incredibly easy to fly. With features like GPS positioning, automatic takeoff and landing, and intelligent flight modes, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Whether you're exploring new landscapes, capturing memorable moments, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is your passport to limitless aerial adventures. Experience the freedom of flight and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. Introducing the DJI Air 2SS, a compact yet powerful drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Air 2S offers unparalleled image quality and performance for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with a large 1" MOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal, the Air 2S captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring crisp, clear footage with vibrant colors and incredible detail. But the Air 2S isn't just about impressive imaging, it's also incredibly intelligent. With features like obstacle sensors, intelligent flight modes, and advanced safety features, it's easy to capture stunning shots with ease and confidence. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes, epic aerial shots, or creative videography, the DJI Air 2S is your ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial imagery. Experience the thrill of flight and unlock your creative potential with the DJI Air 2S. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Introducing the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, a game-changing drone that redefines aerial photography and videography. With its innovative zoom capabilities and advanced features, the Mavic 2 Zoom offers unparalleled versatility and creativity for capturing stunning shots from the sky. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera and a 2x optical zoom lens, the Mavic 2 Zoom allows you to capture breathtaking aerial footage with precision and clarity. Whether you're zooming in on distant subjects or capturing sweeping landscapes, the Mavic 2 Zoom delivers incredible detail and dynamic range. But the Mavic 2 Zoom isn't just about impressive imaging, it's also incredibly intelligent. With features like obstacle sensors, intelligent flight modes, and advanced safety features, it's easy to capture stunning shots with ease and confidence. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or simply a drone enthusiast, the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is your ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerial imagery. Experience the freedom of flight and unlock your creative potential with the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom.